Hey guys, I was just going to chop some wood. I thought I'd take you along for the ride. So I've got a bit of hard eucalypt wood. That stuff is pretty hard, so you'll see me go at it a few times. I'm using this Fiskars X27. It's pretty light, like the handle's hollow, and all the weight's really up this end. So yeah, I mean, it was like $100 Australian, fairly cost effective, and does the job. Just for your guys' sake, always wear safety glasses, like little chips do come flying at you, and I usually wear steel cap boots. Should zip them up as well, because if it goes through the log and into the end of your foot, that's no good. And then a little bit of a warm-up is always good before you spend some time chopping wood, because it's a very repetitive action. And just watch your hands. I don't usually wear gloves, but because I don't chop wood every day, you can get blisters. And particularly with this Fiskars axe, see how it has the that hook shape on the bottom of the handle. When I'm holding it here, can you see how my little pinky finger is like up against that? And I found that it was rubbing a lot. A couple of other things: you can lift the axe with two hands and spread them out. That gives you the leverage for the lift, and then slide your hands together for the downswing. And the more of your body you can get behind it to leverage, so if you can bend your knees a little bit and just send all of that leverage, all of that swinging force down into the point of the log, that's sort of what you want to do to get the log split as efficiently as possible. And then sometimes when your axe gets stuck in the log, lifting the log and breaking it out is the easiest way to go. So yeah, anyway, here goes. Some of these I cut pretty small because our fireplace inside it's not very big, so we need really small chunks. For the pizza oven, the bigger ones are perfect, they burn a nice long time. This wood is actually breaking up pretty easy. I'll get you one of the hardwood logs that's a bit greener and try crack one of those. Not to say that that wasn't hardwood, it's just been seasoned a long time. This stuff here has only been 6 months laying out, so we'll see how it goes. Less than 6 months. So that's 3 chops all in a line, and it's not even cracking it yet. That's hectic. Took 5 hits to get through that one. Oh, look at that. That is some beautiful timber. That'll burn for hours. Put that in my fire, that'll last 8 hours, I reckon. You should probably also wear some gloves, especially in Australia. There's probably all sorts of spiders in there, and for the blisters and splinters, but I never wear gloves. I hate the bastards, so it is what it is. As you get more experience than me, judging your swing is also really important. So you don't want to go too hard and get stuck in the log below. You don't want to get too soft, having to do multiple hits. I mean, if you can't split the log with all your strength anyway, but on these softer ones that break easy, figuring out how much power to give it, I guess just comes with experience. Hence why I'm such a noob at it. You can see I always get it wrong. When you have a log like this, try face it on an angle away from you and try hit near the top, and that way the axe won't do something funny when you hit it, and you'll hopefully split down there. Now let's see if we can do one of these Y-shaped ones. Ideally, you crack them from the back, but this one, I don't know if I'll be able to balance it. I'm no expert at this. This is just how I do it. If you've got a better tip, I'd love to know it. Leave it in the comments, because I've got a bunch of these to go through. So let's see how this works. I don't know whether it's better to split it this way between the legs, or this way. I reckon I'm going to go try and do both of them at the same time and then see how I go. Oh, one actually bounced. Try the other way. Starting to split. I reckon that's the way to go. Alright, and now we should be hopefully able to split it like a normal log from above. That was basically one of the legs, so I'll turn it over. I reckon that's the hardest type of log to split, unless you're going, you know, across the grain like the wood choppers do, you know, when they chop on a tree. But I think they use a different axe to this. But yeah, that didn't go too bad. About the same as the unseasoned redwood. Try this pizza wheel out, eh? It has a branch coming out of it as well, so there's going to be some funky grain on this side of it. Let's see if I can get a bit of a different angle for you guys. This one's also got 2 knots. One there, one there. So it must be another, oh yeah, another divergence here in the grain. Getting ready for a split, so how did I do it last time? Legs down. I'll try whack it through the knots. That's not working, so now whack it between the knots. That's better. Between the knots is the go. Now, when I split it in half again, I should be able to whack it through the knot. And that's half an hour of chopping wood. Mind you, there was a bit of a pile there beforehand, but yeah, good old Aussie eucalyptus. And yes, some of it was super dry. It was actually splitting really easily. But yeah, had to go out the wet stuff, and I just prefer to do it when it's dried out. So I'll leave it there a little bit longer to season out and chop it in the springtime maybe. All right. I've actually got a little bit of a puff on. It's good work, but oh yeah, you can see a bit of wear on the finger, but I haven't got a blister today. I mean, it was only half an hour, but that broke the back of it. Cheers guys, catch you on the next one.